Hello everyone. Koenigsegg continues to push the envelope for how extreme a car can be while maintaining legal status on the roads. The 1,578 horsepower Jesko Attack was already stretching that envelope to the extremes, but that didn't stop Christian von Koenigsegg and team from leveling things up even further. The new Sadair's Spear builds on the Jesko Attack by removing weight, adding downforce, and adding power, turning what was already a track monster into a creation designed to raise lap times and redefine your perception of speed. To prove it, Koenigsegg set the Sadair's Spear to dethrone the Jesko Attack's lap record on the Gotland Ring, which it did by 1.1 seconds during its initial shakedown laps. Christian von Koenigsegg, the founder and CEO of Koenigsegg, named the Jesko for his father as an 80th birthday present and a thank you for his help with the company. Turns out Jesko was a keen jockey in his younger years, and the horse he rode in his final race was named Sadair's Spear. Back to the actual car, the powertrain is familiar enough. That is, if you're familiar with the Jesko's 5-litre twin-turbocharged V8 and its 9-speed Lightspeed transmission. With no flywheel slowing it down, the V8 revs to its 80,500 sins RPM in 0.2 seconds. Revised engine calibration, new air intakes, and improved cooling mean Koenigsegg was able to increase output by 25 horsepower. That means the Sadair's Spear spits out a whopping 1,282 horsepower on regular unleaded gasoline and an astronomical 1,602 horsepower on E85. Upgrades to the aero package make themselves known with an active top-mounted double-blade rear wing. Following extensive work by Koenigsegg's CFD team, the automaker extended the rear of the car for enhanced airflow. Expanded front canards, louvers, and re-engineered hood vents, along with a new gurney flap, also help with cooling performance. If all that isn't enough, the tires are wider for increased grip, and the carbon ceramic brakes come with upgraded pad materials. The suspension is upgraded too, with triplex dampers and lighter springs, which, together with other lightweighting techniques, combine to shed more than 77 pounds. Koenigsegg is limiting the Sadair's Spear to just 30 units, all of which sold out instantly despite a purchase price north of $5 million. Friends, do you like the new Koenigsegg Sadair's Spear? Write your opinion in the comments, as well as like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the latest news from the world of cars.